Welcome back and thanks for staying with us. We have got a big breaking news now coming in straight from our neighborhood. This is a word from Syed Mustafa Kamal, a lawmaker from MQMP party in Pakistan. He highlighted the lack of amenities in Karachi by making comparisons with our country, India, saying that on one hand, open gutters were taking children's lives in this country, a larger city, while on the other hand, India had already successfully executed a lunar mission, and obvious reference to Chandrayaan-3. Let's listen into what Pakistani lawmaker has to say in their National Assembly.
मैं आज अपनी थोड़ी सी गुजारिशात इस हवाले से इसलिए कर रहा हूं कि शायद उनकी नॉलेज में ना हो, शायद उनके लोग उनको ये ना बताते हो। तो कराची के आज हालात ये हैं कि दुनिया चांद पर जा रही है और हमारे यहाँ मासूम बच्चे खुले हुए गटर में गिरकर मर रहे हैं। एक ही स्क्रीन पर एक खबर है कि इंडिया चांद पर चला गया और उसके 2 सेकंड के बाद खबर है कि कराची में किसी गटर का ढक्कन ना होने की वजह से बच्चा गिर गया, मर गया।
We have CNN News 18's Foreign Affairs correspondent Abhishek Jha joining us on the phone line. Abhishek, a very good morning to you. A very obvious, hint over there with regards to Chandrayaan-3 and how India is now the first nation to reach near Moon's unexplored South Pole. But there are some other highlights that he mentioned in his speech in that National Assembly, which has now gone viral. Could you just walk us through all of those pivotal points?
Well, this is not the first time that Pakistani assemblies or their lawmakers have mentioned the progress India has made. In fact, former Prime Minister Nawaz Sharif, during one of his campaigning rally, had also mentioned how India has progressed in the last few decades, while Pakistan is still dealing with the internal strife, continuous security situation, and economic problems. And that has to do a lot with the policy paralysis, a visionlessness of the Pakistani lawmakers. And now the problem has been that due to social media and other means of communication, people have gotten to understand that other countries in their neighborhoods are probably focusing more on their developmental agenda and less on political agenda, and that is why they are progressive. So this is a chorus that is growing in Pakistan as to how a country which got separated together in 1947, and both have taken two different paths. One, a path of development and progress and growth, and the other, a conservative politics, which has resulted in their poor economic and political conditions. So now the lawmakers are also raising question why Pakistan cannot grow like that, and what is stopping them from getting development as at par with India.
Definitely, Abhishek. Thank you so much for highlighting all those crucial updates from that viral speech of Pakistani lawmaker. We'll keep coming back to you for more updates on that story. Right now, it's time to slip into a very short commercial break here on CNN News 18. Stay with us. We'll come right back.